welcome to this channel again. So do you want to know how to hide your Telegram phone number? So if you want to know, you are on the right place. So let's start the video. So first of all, open your Telegram application. Now go to this three dot button. Now go to your setting options. Now here you can see a option privacy and security. Go to that options. Now here you can see another option that is phone number. Go to the phone number options. Now you can see who can see your phone number. Everybody, my contacts and nobody. Select to nobodies. Now click on the tick mark. Now here is another option who can find me by my number. You can select everybody or my contacts. So the main point is who can see my number. You can see I have selected nobody. If I click the tick mark, it will be seen by nobody. That means your phone number will be private. So I'm clicking on that. I have clicked on. Now my Telegram number is private. That's all for today. So if this video helped you, please subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in the next video.